Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video we will see how to set up your custom domain to get the 5 free business email for your business that has 5 GB of storage. If you want to send and receive emails securely such as Office 365 and Google, Zoho Business Email can help you to achieve the enterprise level of email experience that is completely free. No other enterprise level of provider providing you the free business email with the complete security. But with the Zoho, you can set up your custom domain and use the business email for free up to 5 email accounts. Let's go to the internet and see how to set up the Zoho business email. So right now we are onto the Chrome browser, and if we search the Zoho Mail for business, you will get this result, and if we click on this, you will get this page. And here you have business email and the personal email. If you want to get the personal email, you can fill this form and you will get the email on @zohomail.in. For the business email, you have to fill this and then you have to sign up for free. And if we check the pricing, we have these option here. For the workspace standard, it's 99 rupees, and mail light is 59, mail premium is 199, and workplace professional is 399. What service you will get in this? In the workplace standard, you will get these options here, and it includes the meeting as well. And with the mail light, the meeting is not included. There are the basic feature for the mail, and for the workspace professional, you get all these features including with the meeting as well. But if you want to configure the free mail service, we have to scroll it down, and here you will see the forever free plan. You have to sign up for this plan. If you want a free mail, you will get the free 5 emails. You can just fill this form. Let me try to fill this form with my email address, and I will set the password for this and click on sign up. So we are just sign up. So it will ask for the OTP. Let me put the OTP and verify it. So now it is verified and we are logged in. It says welcome to Zoho Mail. So now we are logged into the mailadmin.zoho.in. Buy a new domain or add an existing domain. I already have my existing domain as a techijack.net. We can just click on add now, and here you have to type the domain name, organization name, and industry type. Let me type that. So I filled the things like the name is techijack.net, organization name is techijack, and industry type, and I will click on add now, and it says congratulations, your domain techijack.net added successfully. You need to prove that you own this domain. So we have to click on proceed the domain verification, and here it provides us the text record to verify that this domain is owned by you. So I will copy this text record from here and will go to my DNS zone editor of techijack.net. Here you can see select the domain, that is techijack.net, and here I will add the text record. So in order to add the text record, you can just click on add type, and here we have that text record, and I will put the value here, and here I will put the @ and click on save record. So our text record has been added successfully. Now let's try to verify it on the Zoho portal. So I will click on verify text record. Now here it says you have now verified your domain ownership, and this will be the user that will be set as a super administrator. You can just change the name, and I will say admin @techijack.net will be the super administrator for this. I will say create. So this is the super admin. We can log in with this user as well, and we can configure the things from here as well. And now it says proceed to set up the groups. So I will skip it and I will proceed to the DNS mapping. We have to do the DNS mapping, so I will click on proceed to DNS mapping. Now here it gave us some more records, that is MX record, SPF record, and DKIM. We have to verify these record as well to set up the complete email setup process. So I will copy this record from here, and I will go to the DNS management, and inside the MX record I already have some MX record here. If we see here, this is the MX record. I will delete this one and I will create a new MX record, that is add new, and this is the MX record, that is MX mail server, and I will put the value here, and the record name will be @ and the priority here, it says the priority should be 10, so I will put the priority as 10 and click on save record. Same way I will do for rest 2 record as well. So these are the 2 rest record. I will copy it. I will add the MX record in my DNS. Here you can see all the 3 MX record I have created on my DNS zone for the domain techijack.net. and again it's saying that we have to change the SPF record as well. So this is the SPF value. Let me copy this and I will add the SPF record as well. In order to create a SPF record, I will click on add, and here I will say the text record and I will put the value for SPF, and here I will type @ and save the record. So the SPF record is also updated. Here we have a DKIM as well, so I will copy this, and in the text record we have to set that. Here we have a default domain key, that is DKIM, so I will delete this and I will add a new one, and I will click on add type, that is text record, put the value here, and again I will copy this as well, the host name, and in the host name I will type it as zmail domain key, and will click on save record. So all the requirement record has been updated on our DNS zone. Now let's go back and try to verify the records here. So I will click on verify all records, and it says that DNS record may take a while to propagate. So we will have to wait until the DNS record is propagated. If we click on OK here, you can see our this is updated, our DKIM is updated, the MX is updated. These three are still pending. So let's wait until this get updated. So I verified it again and all records has been verified successfully. Now we can proceed with the email migration. Proceed to setup completion, and here it says your setup is complete now. So go to the admin console now. You can see the total license are 5 and 1 domain is there and 1 organization user is there. If you go to the organization, you can see these settings are there, and if you see the domain, our domain techijack.net is there and status is complete. And if you want to go to the user, here you can see the default super admin email is there, and if you want to create a new one, you can just click on add, and for an example I say info, and I will set the password for this and will click on add. So you can see my second email has been created, and I will click on done. So this way you can create up to 5 email, and that will be free of cost, and it will give you the 5 GB of space. So I have created 2. So in order to log in with the user this like info@techijack.net, I will open a new incognito window and I will say Zoho email login, and here you have a sign into your Zoho Mail account. I will click on sign in and I will put my email as info@techijack.net, and I will put the password here and I will click on sign in. So you can see it is logged in, and you can say remind in 2 weeks. You can either set the multi-factor authentication as well. So now it's logging into my email, that is info@techijack.net, and you can see I'm logged in. Let me skip the tour. Now if we want to create a new email, I will create a new email to this user. Subject I will type hi, and I will click on send. So it says mail has been sent. We can check in the send as well, and if I go to the Gmail, here you can see the info. This was the email we have sent. If you see the show original, you can see SPF has been passed, DKIM is also passed, DMARC is also passed. So we are receiving the email in the inbox. If I reply here, receive, click on send. Let me verify it inside the inbox. We received the reply, you can see here. So our email is perfectly working fine, and it is a enterprise grade level of email that can help your business to send and receive emails securely. So this way you can set up your domain to send and receive the email, and you will get the 5 free emails that has the storage of up to 5 GB. So I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in a next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.